Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. And I'm here working on a Mini. I'm going to start work on it. And I've been asked this before by friends, where the heck's the hood latch? I'm going to show you. It's not where it normally is, right? But pan back, go over to the passenger side, and looky. There it is, passenger side, right by the door. That opens the hood. So it's not on the driver's side. It's on the passenger side. So that thing right there. See? I know, quality engineers at work, right? Anyway, you know what? I hope you buy a Mini and you're going, where the heck is the hood latch inside? I hope that helps you out. Anyway, guys, that's about it. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.